is Brenda's Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Thailand. I'll be trying a recipe for mango sticky rice, so let's get started. So our first step of making mango sticky rice, you have to buy sweet rice from Thailand. And right now we're going to wash our 2 cups of rice. Now you want to wash your rice until you see the water becomes clear. So you can see the water is foggy. You want to wash it until you could see clear water. So the water is now clear. All the starch is cleaned off. So I'm going to leave this in room temperature overnight and covered. So it's the next day. My rice had been soaking overnight, and now I'm going to drain my rice. So as now it's drained, I'm just going to add it to my pan here that's lined with cheesecloth. Then I'm going to spread it out to make it even. I'm going to cover it. And put it on my steamer that I have on medium heat. And cover, and this will take 10 to 15 minutes. So my rice is done. It's been 15 minutes. Now let's take it out and put it on the bowl. And then I'm going to let it sit there while I make the cream. So I got my saucepan ready. I have it on medium heat. I'm going to add 1 can of cocoa coconut milk, half a cup of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. Now it's boiling, you want to take it off the heat. And now we're going to add it to our rice mixture. Now I'm just going to dump my rice into the bowl. I'm going to add a little bit, make sure a little at a time to mix it in. So this is the last of my sauce. I'll stir it in. So the sauce is now all stirred in the rice. Now it's time to make the sauce for it goes on top of the rice. So I'm going to need a can of coconut milk. Another half a teaspoon of salt. Now what I have here is a tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it and mix it. This is gonna help thicken the sauce. Now I'm just going to add this very slowly to my coconut milk. So I've been stirring it, and now my sauce has been thickened up. So let's take it off the heat. Pour it in the bowl. So before I assemble my mango sticky rice, I want to toast some yellow mung beans. So I got my wok ready, it's heating up. I'm just gonna toast them until they're a little brown. So my mung beans are now a little bit toasted, so I'm gonna take them off the heat. So I have everything ready. All I have to do is assemble our mango sticky rice. So I'm just gonna add some sticky rice to my plate. There we go. And now I'm going to peel some yellow mango. Now that I peeled half of it, I'm just going to try to find the seed and cut right through it. There we go. Cut it in little slices. And slide it next to my rice. So I just cut up my mango, put them aside next to my rice. Now it's time to add the mung beans right on top of the rice. And for the last touch is the sauce right on top. And there you have it, mango sticky rice. And now it's time to taste test. This is very delicious. Never had sticky rice in my life, but this is really, really delicious. This was the most simplest recipe I ever made. It didn't take me much time to make. I hope you guys try this recipe and tell me how it went for you guys. Till then, I see you guys until my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.